Hi everyone, my name is Meza. I am a PhD student in the School of Aeronautics and Astronautics at Purdue University. As part of the GradTrack program, I'm here to give you some quick tips on what to do if you don't get into graduate school. First off, I want to stress the importance of your mental health. Rejection is hard, it's going to feel like the end of the world, so please just take the time to process your emotions, and I assure you that things will be fine even if it doesn't feel that way. The second thing I want to emphasize is that you don't have to go to graduate school. It's easy to forget that graduate school is only one out of countless options that are available to you. There are plenty of fulfilling careers outside of academia, especially in science and engineering, where a bachelor's degree is enough for many entry-level positions. I would advise all students to devote time to job search before applying to graduate school so that you get a sense of what careers are out there and what qualifications they realistically require. You may find that there's a version of your dream job that doesn't require a master's or a PhD. University career centers are a great resource and are usually available to you even after graduation. Now, if you want to continue to pursue a graduate degree, it's important to be proactive and work towards strengthening your profile for the next round of applications. Graduate programs rarely give feedback, so you'll have to identify your weaknesses on your own. Maybe your essays need a little work, maybe you lack extracurriculars, or maybe you need a little more research experience, or your grades are not perfect. Work on the things you can control, though. The quality of your essays is something you can address directly. You can improve extracurriculars by picking up a volunteering or mentoring role. To strengthen your research experience, you may be able to keep working for one of your professors. Ask and see if they'd be willing to keep you on as a lab technician after graduation. Jobs and internships are also a great way to expand your experience. Your past grades are completely out of your control, but you may be able to show that you can thrive in graduate school by taking a couple of graduate courses as a non-degree seeking student. There are also many online courses you can take to expand your knowledge. You don't have to stop learning just because you didn't get into graduate school. Lastly, getting rejected from graduate school doesn't mean you're not good enough, so please don't let it stop you from pursuing your goals.